kaya naman pala, no? So, yan, kung makikita nyo, one day, yung dating buwanan mo, nakakaya mo na. And it's a win already na nasa bahay ka lang. And also, yun nga, kasama mo pamilya mo while you are doing this trading. And you can trade anywhere, anytime. And I'm not encouraging you to quit your job and do forex trading kasi ito I've been doing this for a long time, and it's 10 years ko na siyang ginagawa, and more than 10 years na nga yata siguro. And while I'm still employed, I'm already doing this. So pinagsasabay ko siya, pinag-aaralan ko, in-execute ko while I am also still employed. So by the time na okay na, so yun nga, pwede na, no? Dito, I am not gonna sugarcoat this, no. Napakataas ng pressure dito. So oo, you have the time freedom, you have the freedom na kahit saan ka, but there's a pressure, no, kasi syempre real money, real capital, and there's a chance talaga na masunog kasi you don't own an asset here. And if you are a provider, if you have a responsibility, madodoble yung pressure kasi hindi naman natin kontrolado yung market. So little balance lang. So if you're doing this forex trading, you can do this full time. Yun nga, talagang patotoo tayo dyan, no? We are doing this full time. But while you are still doing this, kapag maganda pa yung profits mo, so wag mo siyang huwag mo siyang gastusin lahat, no? So build another business like something that can give you passive, no? So para medyo matulungan yung mental health mo kasi there's a lot talaga dito sa forex trading. So yung mga pinapakita natin, mga pinapakita ng iba diyan na okay talaga, no? So sobrang totoo yan, maganda yan talaga, pero there's a lot talaga, there's a lot of hardship when it comes to forex trading. And ayun, it's all about risk management. So lahat tayo, we don't really know what will happen next sa market. But when it comes to risk management, you can always control yung kung magkano yung magiging loss mo, kung magkano yung profit mo. So yun, dun tayo mag-focus sa risk management. And yan, kahit sino, iba-iba ng perception yan or ng bias yan. So yung iba, sell, yung iba, buy. So kanya-kanya yan, no? But meron nagka-counter trend pero they're really profitable. So it's all about your strategy and your risk management. So I highly invite you to join our Telegram community. So nandiyan yung link niya sa bio natin, sa may description box natin. So I wanna see you there. And if you want to start your trading journey, we do free webinars yon. So join ka lang sa ating Telegram community. So see you there.